Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix error 0x80072F8F on Windows 11 in a simple and quick way. First, go to your taskbar and find the clock. Right-click on the clock. A small menu will appear. From here, click on Adjust Date and Time. This will open the settings window. Now, check if your date and time are correct. If they are wrong, you need to fix them. Turn off the option that says Set Time Automatically. Once you turn it off, the Change button will become active. Click on Change and manually set the correct date and time. After setting it properly, click Change to confirm. If your time zone is incorrect, fix that as well. You can either select the correct time zone manually or turn on Set Time automatically again once everything matches your region. This allows Windows to sync the correct time from its servers. After fixing the date, time, and time zone, try the action again that was showing the error. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If the error still appears, the next step is to use Command Prompt. Click on the search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type the command slui.exe and press Enter. This command will open the Windows activation window. Follow the instructions on your screen to complete the process. This should help resolve the error. Thanks for watching.